Passive voice 3 with future tenses. The form to be plus past participle, verb 3. The list of forms in the future tenses. In the future simple, object plus will be plus past participle plus extra words plus by subject.
My homework will be done.
In the future perfect, object plus will have been plus past participle plus extra words plus by subject.
My homework will have been done.
In the going to structure, object plus am, is, are, plus going to, plus be, plus past participle, plus extra words, plus by subject.
My homework is going to be done.
Note: no passive voice for future continuous tense. When to use passive voice. If we don't want to say who is the doer of the action. The object is the most important part of the sentence. If we don't know who did the action, or the person is not known, or not important. Don't worry, you will find a lot of examples in this video. How to make a passive voice sentence. Object, plus verb to be, plus verb 3, past participle, plus extra words, plus by subject. If necessary, you can use by to say who or what is responsible for the action. Example: the next lesson will be created by Ahmed Adwani and verified by Shailesh Ramanuj. To convert an active sentence to a passive sentence, follow these steps. Move the object to the first position in the sentence. Check what tense is used in the original active sentence. We need to conjugate the to be verb with the object and according to the tense. Add the main verb in past participle form. Decide if you need to say who does the action. If yes, we use by plus person. Now, let's analyze that in a sentence. In the future simple, Shailesh will write a new novel. The object is a new novel, move it to the first sentence. Will, and the verb to be in the future, will be. The past participle of write is written. Then add the complement. A new novel will be written by Shailesh. An example using future perfect. We will have finished our English course by the end of November. The object is our English course. Then we add will have. Be verb in the same tense is been. Verb 3 of finished is the same verb as the original sentence. Then we add the complement. Our English course will have been finished by the end of November. Now let's convert a sentence to a passive voice.
I will clean my office tonight.
My office will be cleaned tonight by me.
I will have cleaned my office by tomorrow.
My office will have been cleaned by me by tomorrow.
Now, let's practice, with examples. A movie will be seen by us. I will be seen by the doctor. My homework will be done. A horse will be ridden by her. Our result will be declared soon. This room will be cleaned later. The work will be done on time. The letter will be sent tomorrow. His fiancée will be teased by him. A new road will be built next year. Soup will have been cooked by me. The contract will be signed tomorrow. The results will be sent to us next week. I'm sure everything will be sorted out soon. The motorway will be closed for 2 days. The 2032 games will be staged in London. Your book will be returned by me tomorrow. The first prize will have been won by him. The new bridge will be finished next year. The winner will be announced tomorrow. The house will be cleaned by me on Friday. A new car will be purchased by me tomorrow. Harry Potter books will be read by my students. Your room will be cleaned while you are out. Only English will be spoken at the conference. The documents will all be signed by next week. A new house will have been built by the masons. My job will have been finished by me by Friday. The roof will have been repaired by the engineer. The windows will have been cleaned by the worker. The book will have been brought by the teacher. Dinner will have been cooked by our mother. The house will have been built by the masons. The dog will have been fed when we get home. The line will be repaired by the electrician tomorrow. Will Satish be allowed to enter the class by the teacher? The car will have been fixed by the mechanic at 6. The shopping center is going to be knocked down. The new university will be opened by the president. All the animals will be fed at 3 o'clock this afternoon. Maybe one day TV will be cancelled from our houses. Probably CDs will be bought for a few years to come. An entry pass will be given to you by the management. A new class representative will be chosen on Monday. If you call at 7 o'clock, he will still be driven to the meeting. The route will be decided as soon as we know who is going. The house will be put on sale once the couple find a new flat. This lesson will have been learned by you and other students. The seatbelt sign will be turned on by the pilot just after takeoff. You will be given a gift by them. Or a gift will be given to you by them.
The link of all sentences in this video is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.